Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation, we will see how we can trade in MCX crude oil today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. The chart you're seeing is 7-minute candlestick chart, and this candlestick indicates yesterday's price opening, which shows that the market opened near 5090. We expected crude oil to stay in buying, maintaining 5045 as stop loss. Right after the opening, the price tried to clear 5120. It went up near 5130, but found resistance, again came down till 5060, closed near 5084. Today it's expected to open somewhere below 5060. So that's the key area. Again, the price is really struggling itself to move above 5120. So what we can do today, how we can position ourselves for today's trading. The one thing we can do was we can go and stay on the selling side, but it's also not a confirmed clear entry point, because there are chances that once the price starts moving above 5060, there are many chances that the price can go and test 5120. But for that, we cannot extend the stop loss till 5120. So it's going to be a very tough case for us. Initially, you can stay on the selling side, maintaining 5080 as a stop. If you see that the price is constantly taking support at 5060, if it is breaking above 5080, then you can change from selling to buying. You need to swing on either ways for today's trading to pick the trend. There are certain areas where we cannot be very certain about the trend. So today is such a day. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session. And thanks a lot for watching the videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.